Hey, welcome, folks. 7th grade. Filming in a new location today. Thought I'd try something different. This week, we were learning about the Crusades. The war over the Holy Land, over the city of Jerusalem and the land around it. We talked about why that city was so important to the three different religions: Judaism, Islam, and Christianity. And we talked about the war that lasted pretty much 300 years over that city. Because of religion. We know that it was very tragic. Lots of lives were lost. Tensions ran high. Lots of different kingdoms involved in that conflict. There is, and it's hard to even say this with a war like that, but there is a slight silver lining. We talked about this too. And that is that after the war, trade increased in Europe. Remember, under feudalism, under the different kingdoms fighting with each other, they were isolated. They didn't travel. And so there wasn't any trade going on. But because of all the travel over to the Middle East in the war, they began to bring things back with them. Ideas, goods, right? Things that they couldn't make at home, they brought back with them after the war. And they gave them to people in the kingdoms in Europe. And those people liked those things. And they wanted more. So a lot of the Crusaders kept making trips back, kept getting more and more of these items, bringing them back, and started to trade. They would sell those things and then bring goods from Europe over to the Middle East that they couldn't get there. So with this project, we're going to pretend that you are from a European kingdom. You went over in the Crusades, you returned with some goods from the Middle East that were new and exciting, some ideas, and you want to go back. You want to keep trading. We're going to pretend that you're advertising, your trading business. So you are going to start your own business. You're going to be a trader. And you've got to create an advertisement. So first off, you've got to come up with a name for your business, right? It could be, Mr. Hildebrand Incorporated, right? Or fill in your name, Or it could be, something creative. It could just be a name, right? Think of some different businesses you know. Think about their names, what they sound like, what they look like, and create your own. Now, you have to come up with 3 things that you're going to trade. 3 things that you're going to bring to the Middle East. I need drawings or pictures of those 3 things. And then you have to come up with 3 things that you're going to bring back, or things that you want. So you need drawings or pictures of that as well. You're going to have to tell the people where to find you and when to find you. So when will you be in the Middle East? Put on some dates. If you need some specific years, let me know. But if you're looking for just dates, pick any dates on the calendar. But you need a couple of them, at least 2. Any deals you're running, it's your business. You can run deals, 2 for 1s, buy one, get one, right? Any coupons, stuff like that. It's up to you. You can create this on paper. I got poster paper, markers, pencils, all that stuff, or on Google Docs. Either way is fine. Some things to help you, give you ideas, because you might be thinking, well, what would I want? What am I going to trade? I don't know. No worries. Things from the Middle East. So these might be things that you want, things that they make in the Middle East that you're bringing back. All kinds of food like figs and dates, olives, grapes, almonds, citrus fruit, spices, silk, cotton, sugar, different medical supplies, knowledge about medicine, algebra, mathematical principles, Islam, the religion, many ancient books, perfumes. So, when you need to come up with 3 things that you are bringing back, or you're looking for, check out this list, or research your own. If you're not sure what these things are, look them up. Find a picture. And then finally, things from your kingdom that you are going to give in the trade. Might be farm equipment like plows, eyeglasses, developed some of the first ones in the Middle Ages in Europe, wool from sheep, apples, plums, cherries, carrots, cabbage, different architectural knowledge about castles or churches. Maybe you bring the religion of Christianity in some of those books, like the Bible with you. So that's all to give you ideas. If you need any help with this, have any questions, let me know. I would love to help you out.